Kandolmo.
This is the game. Yeah, go. And what I'm glasses in your movie, right?
Hi, go.
And the zebra, yeah.
I'll speak.
Two.
It's in confidence, yeah?
You are, I can put Corona. What I would call it, what I let the picture, if I would put it up. The apple very whatever. My season was a pig, but I go.
Who's fellow Lindam?
Move.
I had to go to my cousin, come away on yam.
Yeah, you know what? He has it. What I eat that I'm going to alone. But I didn't see what I'm going to see fresh man.
A confidence, yeah, Queen.
You see, I don't lie.
I'm so sorry, babe. But I also do have those times.
Yeah.
I also do have those times.
Well, I was wrong. This is the one you call it now.
I don't care, baby. Yeah.
One time, what's in the
Tibu.
I give you a compliment all the time. And then you're like,
Tim go no more. Guys, Jogan. Hi guys, can we listen to police in the cocoon? Jogan. She's what and what I feel. What I feel actually. Wasele amazi namhlanje ewethu ngiside waqoba ngokonje nje molweni bethuna the love I have for you is unmatched. Thank you Tony. If you like va? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Congratulations.
Asabuleka guys. She. Ngalibalusene lu star pink la video.
Oh yeah.
Sarah, thank you. Oh, thank you. My role model, okay, I will. Still house tour, please. It's on YouTube, baby. YouTube. Full tour is there on YouTube. Guys, baby.
Yo.
What is possible 10K on YouTube?
You for real? 10K.
10K.
Whoa.
You want to know I'm saying now?
Whoa, bomb.
Yo. Hello. Then this is to mega. Uzoqala upheka noma la sendiphekile. Phofu ngiyagqibezela. Ndiphekile rice, ndayi defrost inyama, ngoku ngizokwenza chakalaka. Ndayipheka ne sweet potato so ngiyagqibezela. Hey, you know.
Yo, and like oh,
which one?
Yeah,
Hey.
Rudy, when their friends visited me today, they didn't know it's my last day.
Oh, eh.
Yo, I don't say what?
You do?
We are happening. Who's it?
Yeah, I'll see the time. Just because you have to say it from tell boy. You are your guest. I pull me. Can you was when you say mechanism of funding comment? Oh, let go on this. I'm going hey, what case on I'm fun? Guys, last time Bendy live Chana wavele actually phone yam. Even namhlanje ku2% and they are one live for them guy know. Because I'm recording during the day. Man, the boy phone comments again.
You come on here,
hey, I'm feeling guy.
Get it to see. So I cute Esa coisa bro. Eu tenho que fazer assim, eu os dragons da família.
Oh, minha dica!
Vem
Bye.
It's so fun.
Then the born put Kano even gate. We are born putting YouTube handle. Umishi NK. Can't we KFC be him doing Kola. YouTube handle Umishi NK not show. You are my sister from another mother. I love your content. Thank you, Sissy. How do you feel about the new house? Very happy. Very happy. I'm so happy. Ndikuqumbele mishi. Hayi sini ungiqumbele njani? Uqumbele njani mimi? Yeah, not wena kaloku bakandiqumbela bonke. Not wena. Why? Oh Lord, kwenze ntoni? Oh. Thank you, Sissy. Hi Mishi. Ikuphethe njani la injection ye-weight loss? Ndiyabawela kunendizama ukutya right. Iphethe kahle. I-difference ndiyibonile. But andisigqibanga injections zam. So I'll give you full update when I'm done with my injections. So since it's December, and then I told Gqirha that Gqirha, cela uphinde ndibuye because the aim was to do at least 8, So there's a 4. Maybe cela uphinde ndibuye after fasting because I was so busy with fasting. So, but it did work for me, Shem. I don't wanna lie. But Zanika update because I'm doing sessions on. I love it. Is the vlog coming? Ngizozama edit namhlanje, but if andikwazanga after upheka ndizonantsika. I post it early in the morning. Because edit vlog takes how long? 2 hours. 2 hours. Oh, edit vlog in 3 minutes. I'm telling you, maximum of 2 hours. Especially if like in transitions. If it's just a plain vlog, no transition, then okay. Yeah, it has been about 45 minutes. But if I'm a transition, I think they're back 2 hours and they're back. But it takes long. So what I'll take uzakupa a camera. Oh, I received. Guys, when I'm going to say, why did I live? Can't I follow me low? Who's gonna be recording me? I'm posting 2 videos today, yeah? Nice, in their charge. Come on, live. Yes. What would you get live? You go 2%. Huh? What did you? I don't do anything now. Go TikTok. No problem, Hi, go. Who make up that? I'm sure. I'm not going to wear it. Inawunewele ingathi ayizisana oko ibe edita ngoko chomi xa ndisithi i-edita kuthatha 2 hours. I'm not joking. Probably hour and a half, but it takes long. And then the content throughout the day is zikhona ezinye into ezenzayo umzekelo ngoku ndiyapheka yabo. Dress yaseziyonipo apartment it's on YouTube alavu. Guys, hayi man bendiphendule comments zakudala. Xolweni ke guys xa bephendulile. Cela undiphe igama lendawo abayenzi medical aid ngo-Week Clinic. No, abayenzi medical aid benza inantsika cash. Uthini mba? Thank you. And ndiyakwazi ke bona one thing about you, you will reply to comments. Yeah? Oh, that's so cute. What are you cooking? I'm making chakalaka. Guys, I was the one making chakalaka for your Christmas and Jimmy. Now for it's at the first. So chakalaka ngekwaba. Hi, John. You baby. Asina carrot. Yeah, come on, Ben City, who's an effort. Kabuya. Unbook my don't, that didn't I see on. Be carrot, the candy, you bet. Whoa. Chocolate and not carrot, my God. But it's fine. Nice news, thank you. Baby, I believe this is Tuli.
Hello.
Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, my love. Just subscribe to YouTube, Wako. Thank you, darling. Sawubona Mishi, yazi ngiyakuthanda. Oh, I'm obsessed. Thank you. Ngiyawurata lini nakebe. Ngiyawurata rata. Kawufela. Kanya. Kanya silelwani.
But we was just, I was just being nice.
Wow. Ubasa ini.
Yeah, right, baby. Go for it.
Wow.
No, I'm just saying in Surto. There's nothing wrong with what I'm saying.
I know what you want to say.
Dave, with that, I'm doing.
Ay, God. Fuck, better than that. Oh, but you put Kanye, I'll go and say Mudini, my child. Good, I'll say Mudini, baby.
Yeah, I don't know.
I can say you don't have a choice. Yeah.
Oh, baby.
Only choice.
What?
Hi, Michi, I'm begging you. Can I join? Request a bubble.
Let me make a video.
Kidding?
Just a video. Hey.
What's the video?
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Hello, Babu.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks with you. Yeah, I'm fine. Sorry. Yeah, I can't believe I'm in your life. I love you so much.
Love you too, baby. How's the better, Babu?
Yeah, I'm shy. I'm shy too.
Why ungavezi ubuso ufuna ukubona? Ufuna ukubona Babu. Mishi.
Shy.
I-veg stand plug please. Oh, nantsika i-veg stand nandiyithenge Goodwood Electronics, yeah. I think Goodwood Electronics and Hardware, yeah. Goodwood Electronics and Hardware nandiyithenge pha like a long time ago.
This Mishi.
Yebo.
Why don't follow you, say?
Andifuni. Awuvezi ubuso nje.
Oh, yeah.
Sayazi lapha ndifolowisha abanye kandifolowisha isigebenga.
Yeah, okay.
Show your face, followisha nayifollowa nabantu bakho live.
Okay.
Sondela ku.
Hi, bro.
Unayi-content kuqala? Hayi bo, udlala ngami ke ngoku.
Scared. Kaloku uyenza content.
Uscared ntoni?
Where?
But you want to follow, uzayithini uyifollow kodwa awuna-content? Yebhabhu.
Look. Bengicinga uyenza i-vlog ke ngoku bendisiya elwandle izolo.
Hayi ntsongo yenzile etshoyo. Yeba ngesilike ngoku. Wabethwa yihamba anxiety.
Andikwazi mos ujoin uveza ubuso apha.
Ubethwe yilaa mpahla kuthiwa yi-anxiety.
Yho.
Bubbles abe ebhishi Mishi. Whether you promise uba uzondifollowisha the time I met you eMasiphumelele. Show me kaloku, did you tell me your name? Did you tell me uba ubani TikTok? Yeba? Angikwazi kaloku my friend. Abuveli Bubbles. Mangafuna ukubona we o. Guys, ifrog iyabona la. Hayi mhlaba la. Angiyazi uyibonela ukuphela kwayinto emhlophe. Angazi, I don't want to risk Beef talk, I know. Boli beef talk, yeah, bol. Yeah, boli beef talk, guys. And then over it could delay. You don't stop, eh? Yes. Because followers like his new TikTok won't allow him to open a camera. She needs at least 80 followers. I go video bubbles. But you need at least. And then you can beef talk, noses eyeball, or I. What I don't show. Bubbles, what be bubbles? Introduce yourself.
I think Bubbles nang ba attending Bubbles.
What? Kamala Kalivela is Bubbles. What's your name?
Ndingkwakhanya.
Why is it all Bubbles? Kamala Kalivela Bubbles, Jenna.
Why libhale Bubbles?
Okanye uBubbles ngomnye. Mna ndi-accepte umntu oro. Ukhona umntu ebenguBubbles umane e-request oko.
Yho.
Hayi ke angazi. Sorry ke kwakhanya. Wapi kwakhanya?
Nasho Port Elizabeth.
Wapi?
Port Elizabeth.
Port
Elizabeth.
Ooh. Egqeberha.
Yes.
Hayi girl. Uluke ibani ke Bubbles. Yo kwakhanya.
Ndincinci.
Ncinci.
Ewe.
Hayi wena. Uluke ibani kaloku?
Grade 6.
Oh. Umntu grade 6 unangaphi? 10.
Another nina.
Unangaphi?
Zabana 12 next year.
Akakuthandi ke sana lona uthathayo apha.
Siswam lo.
Yhu, uyakuthanda. Sala kubuka iividiyo zakho engathi uyaphambana nje.
Hayi bo.
Obsession. She's obsessed.
Love it for me ke sana. Period.
Huh?
Period ke sana.
Yhu.
Yo baby, ngicela undivulela ibeans. Oh yini ndiyacela bhuti. Itheni?
You don't have. What's your name?
Congratulations. Yendlu entsha.
Uthini?
Congratulations yendlu entsha.
Thank you, doll. Mntwana, ithini oku?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Like,
Mola bhuti.
hey, how's it? You right?
FaceTime thing because of the followers.
Yiba ukhona omnye ufuna ungena bye ke kwakhanya sifake omnye.
Bye bye.
Love you get so.
Love you too.
Uphi lo? Khona lo bebhalwe Bubbles. Kawusithi ayinguwa nguBubbles. Khona lo bebhalwe Bubbles. Bubbles makangena. Bubbles. Thank you,
There
darling.
we go, baby. Anything for my favorite lady.
Yes,
You know
powers.
Match
Open the tin.
perfectly. I executed the plan.
Oh my god.
You know?
Wow.
Wow,
Bubbles request akalosihlobo sami.
Oh, Bubbles. Wait a minute. What Bubbles? Ukona lo Bubbles abebuza Michelle oko yesterday bra ngobe live at beach. Kaloku it's a beach. It's a beach.
Bishi.
Hello baby John. Bubbles so yo hayi akubeni bra udeyo ayipini comment yakhe vela
Ne? Inoma nguye lo. Bubbles request my friend. Just accept.
Like see. Michelle akekho. It looks nice. Yoliphekayo engathi ya. Ke yo nanko umaqambo.
Hayibo.
Oh hayi xolo.
Ayizabetha.
Bake.
Yo, kanye iyachisa.
Oh baby but
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
These pots are so cruel.
Yes.
Ngulowa izolo ke.
Ungenze bubbles lo.
Please accept my request. Into engifuna ukuxela yona ntombi. Yo.
Hey,
So yikho ngifuna idaba eshushu.
Daba zantoni mishi?
Yabo yikho indaba kaloku eshushu kaye kunoface.
Hayibo, ngentombi bendibhalile apha izolo ulive. Bendiye emgidini apha eMontre Eastern Cape. Yho, inwele zakho ayisana ndilali. Hayi.
Bese la uyakho ke.
Siyavuza.
Kababonisa la tele.
Uzondenza ndingabi namali yokutya kule nyanga.
Oh yini bawo.
Baba manje uzolibele yakhe.
Baby unit.
Andi ibe ngibana la unit. But unginikile inamba yakho ugirl. WhatsApp because ndicele inamba yakho sisi wanika. Then ndamWhatsApp ndathi mina ngicela undiphe inamba yalapho ubuthenga khona inwele zakho. Wathi bendizithenga eKapa nansi inamba yomuntu ebendizithenga kuyo. Ndiqonda hayibo ngumishi nje lona ndiyamazi. Hayi sana ndiyazifuna sani.
Wow, zasana.
Lona lexa ijika unono zithi jonga. Hayi ndithi sana ndiyazifuna andizifuna ezizimileyo xa ujika.
Tata sile zizimileyo nje.
Yazi ngathi nguPrisky.
Hayi.
La nja yayipha kumama Jack.
Hayi nansika.
Hayi ntombi ndifuna ukubasela loo nto nje qha uba ndiyeza kwezo nwele. I'm coming.
Thank you. Cause ngizofuna ke nansika. Nge5.
Oh, okay, awukavuli ne.
Angavuli ngizofuna i5.
Okay.
Sathatha break.
Okay, hayi no problem.
Okay, this.
Hayi sonke siyavula nge5 sivula ne-diet nge5 bethu.
Oh, it is landing nge5.
Bye Ntombi.
Bye, yes. Ngiqale diet nami. Every year ngiqale diet. Baby? Masenze i-painting, baby. Wasiqala i-painting.
Intoni?
I-painting.
Wait, baby. Intoni?
I-painting.
Dancing.
Yebo.
With me.
Yes.
Hayi chamela. Hayi. Hayi Michelle.
Sizobuza i-weight, baby.
Ndifuna luza weight mina.
Bude une-double chin.
Michelle John. Uyibona?
Hayi boy.
Hayi John.
Hello guys. I hope you guys are good.
Andina double chin nasisi.
Betho wena.
Fakaloku ngibona uzumqalami nami. Isenmovile.
Ya. Yabona baby nguwe lona. Ngicela ukhubele itumato sami.
Michelle, uya.
Sisiyolanda akaphumekanga.
Bakamele lona lo bed. Itona tomato sauce. Pastry. Tomato soup. Yes.
Tomato sauce.
Uyibona wena zwi.
Tomato sauce le?
Into akho tomato sauce John, tomato soup. You didn't say sauce soap.
I said sauce.
Into le baby.
Tomato soup.
Misho na.
Bubbles requested my friend.
Bubbles.
Bubbles, Shemkuda, city, please add me.
Unini bra.
Oh,
Why
yeah,
is it?
Bubbles, I'll request that. You must request so that I can accept. Because I don't think they're going to invite.
Yo, is it 1% phone yakho?
Ngabani insaba abantu balapha so awuveli akho sekuqaleni.
Wahamba naye. Inhloko yechat.
Ubebe lesishisa.
Misho
Sedrawing.
because yithi kusebenza zithi inhloko zezichat.
Sedrawing lapha.
Usho?
100%.
100%. Kana nawe nibone.
Edrawing le chest for us.
Kanibona. Nangu bye Mishi yabo sisi uyaphuma. Yakushiya nje kanjalo.
Bye. Bubbles ka awuveli abantwini abarequestileyo. Kuvela usisiyanda ulisedi nokhayona.
Maqamba.
I already requested. Request again awuveli.
Pretty. Faka kanja yami flower. Ngitsela flower baws abagrand. Flower.
Hey baby, Nancy, kushona ngeNancy.
Shona ke.
Shibe ngecarrot. Esiwamanje ngalandlela bendiyenze ngayo.
Oh, but I look here, I don't know.
Nancy kayikho la ndibabayo.
Izinto lezi sniper pending.
Chilies.
We never had pending. Zange ezenze
But since you know ngobe ndiyenze endlini ngifake ipedipedi imali.
Thanks for following. Kindly drop your WhatsApp number. I have an amazing opportunity that I would love. Okay.
DM okanye uthathe email yami on kwibio okanye WhatsApp unibhalele ku-Instagram. Because I'm just going to drop a number yami here on live. Any business I'm sangini ngene 5.
Yena baby. Jonga. Hi, khona lothi hi Taki. Yashonda yami. Jonga khona ngifuna ukubhalisela ngama numbers. Khona ngifuna ukubhalisela ngama. Oh yeah, Jonga wena kuthiwa ngubudven. Imagine.
Budven?
Ukugenge ethi yami budven ngabo.
Kanjani manje?
Yenina. Ngabo yena wena nguvena cover.
Yeva.
Yena wena ngumavenana mntakade. You know the drill. Baby, do you have a dollar? Do you have a dollar? Do you have a damn dollar? Everybody feels like the way Purvena was it. It's strong alone, Taverna, imagine. Utivena, imagine. I wasn't telling you.
Why Nina?
But it makes sense, Kalamba.
Why must make us sense? Go busy every fan. What if you're Italian?
Ah, man. Give me share. I was this. Kaloto, as much as Baba normalize it, and they were chatty indoor. Yeah, was this bomb say something. I gave them because John, when I was up to there, money. I go man, something. He passed there. How we pass there? Make you dungeon.
Pass.
He passed, no sense. Yeah, that's like a bird. That is a good bird. Those bones here. And I'm going to take short. Bible said you can go check your out Bibles. Can I be in my public? To me, too. Come in with mutual.
Look how you only said you know this younger.
Yo, the Mac.
I'll build my F. No, but underage.
I'm sure.
I'll go underage bubbles. Can't jump by because you invite her now.
No, yeah, baby, come. Yeah,
I'm going to invite her. Can't get up away. You can already invite up. Add moderate. Can see the add moderate.
Who's a moderator Bubbles lively? Kalung nani moderator pa school nandit. Max Zabandwa. Moderation. It's the same thing, baby. Kalung so good now vele nanseka so yabo. Ufuna add to yabo, like for instance, I will invite. That very Bubbles would invite yabo.
Manchong tikanje. But we have well. Bubbles unamasho mntanami.
Yeah.
So I did invite ku Bubbles.
I was kaloku jonke ihamba iziduko lewe yabo. Mhlawumbe Bubbles isiduko zakhe ba umpanda. Mhlawumbe iyapha yabo.
Hayi no by age because abanye abantu abekho allowed ukungena ku live. Mhlawumbe umuntu akasazi. Okanye une followers ezincinci.
Yo yiva uzimishe nokuphakaza ufuthi. Oko
3 times.
Oko. Happy New Year, guys. Hey, baru nanya. Here peacefully, it's Jimbo. You budala mana. Yo, sibulele bra, waniphendulela kamnandi ezi questions. You, we pause bra.
Question and
Fist bump. Kaloku la gela question yebani uthatha nini yabo.
Wathi usibulela.
Bulela uphendula kamnandi uthi ngicela ukubuza you come ndicela uyifunda loud and boldly whatever uthi hayibo yekana abanye abantwana why are you asking about marriage like
why do you want to tshata?
Yeah, Joe.
What if you don't want to get married?
But yeah, asikholapho jobs andixabelanga grand. Oh, Bubbles' account is private. Utomi uthi okay, it's fine. Next time andikho mancinci mna. Oh, shem ndiyakanasela Bubbles.
You know, I didn't private ke my friend.
Yeah. Yo ibhoza sezidala zimchekile. Hey, sinabona uNantsika apha sinazo ne-IT experts apha. Because bamthi same time uBubbles. Bayiwe sibeyazi problem. Funeka ndiqashe uTikTok nina nikhawuleze ndijonge iNantsika zakhona. Lana troubleshoot.
Niyena ncedakala ngendawo yohlala.
Post. Siyaposta nje. Bese athi this sicela udlala bedora kodwa thilili, you know. Same time. The power of social media. Yeah, the power of you guys, eh? Because kahle, you are the best. You're 12 years old. Oh, not here's Bubbles.
No, Bubbles. Sorry, dog.
Yeah, my putaki. Sisi pose just a game. Show for it. Andilanda kuthiwa akasathi umish andilanda baby akusathi
ulambi
you IT experts with no qualifications ezinja madoda nina kanimeni nginasive story besibali so radio nekuseni esisoba akukho umem owayefundisa esikole eLimpopo eMpumalanga owayefundisa esikolweni without qualifications yendi kuthiwa wafundisa baby unayo ne degree akanako matric Udlala wena unedegree kala papi uyafunda usu kana qualifications ana matric hayi biba sasiyazi nami ndivele ithetho qona kenza ifika ndikubalisele because lo mntana kwazi ungakwazi ngabalezi dike hayi bomish ngolo hlobo
ukuthi sorry
hayi andbor unikusi benizanibalisela ke bethuna yazi nami live wami lo awundazi ngothanda ba take over ixaze wajonga zicheza nyuki itsho iNantsika zakho ndibhoza people love me
zihlile bese ku400 up
habo
ku300
400 nyana hayi nina nisatsho anisanditheli tsuphi yazi nalo manje singokolela lapha ya yena customer yazi ne hayi mandingeke bafethu but yena baby I hear you, Mnandi Umis, without a teaching qualifications, not permanent.
But again, that's a statement as a young. Sometimes, when I have a degree, I have to fund it. But when you have a degree, of course you fund it. Because by never said I'll teach you, John. Most of the time, if you are coming.
Hayi wena again ndiyakuva andibalile last time.
But this pure sound.
Man, I was just saying yebo because nami lo ndiyivile.
Mishi inyama engahamdazo. Tshona ngibekela for 2 days. Inkulu. Nize nyama. Ngibeka once in a while so can't pheka ngase ngipheke beni.
For the birthday wishes, my people.
I need to find the spice. So spice is in plastic.
Nene le yayigcwele yo sinento ezininzi hayi baby yes isiyazi wasowathi uyavumisa uyavumisa kangibona
Lata.
Sesibuzona esigalayo
Chilies.
Umuntu uzawuqhuma nendlebe
Before a fryer. A fryer.
Okay baby
I
hear you very well brother.
Leave comments, right? Spice
This is our post to Dilendila for the apartment keeps you busy. Guys, I love your content so much. I wish I met you guys. Pumpkin. So what I want. Tangazana that
content YouTube apartment.
You sound like Kanyisa Jateni, yes. But make sure that remind me of Oleta. I love Xhosa ladies. Yeah, Xhosa ladies are the best. Xhosa ladies at the ukhona ubhuti kaYesu utsho ngozabini uthi yo Xhosa ladies at the best.
So beautiful.
They're so beautiful. Xhosa ladies. Yo, vaya en America, ¿sabes? Ah, qué bicho. Oye, Belén. Boa, pues pero no se espalda. Embaucha, no se espalda. Yes, that better to you are. Oh, baby, will you blast this in singing? Umbanda, show me.
Sebenzela phansi.
Ndilandi kugagile. Hayi xa kuyazi. Lawe eliya umbanda, umambanda. Makasesiqha siqhelelanga lawe yabo. Makagene mndase wami.
Excuse me, where are you now?
Well, live streaming. I can't cook for 2 days because umfana akakwazi ukutya kwayizolo. Whoa!
Sengxaki.
Hayi ke kuzendala usengxaki.
Sengxaki. Hayi,
hayi kuxolo nje ngasithi kabi bo. Ngasiba kabi. Mishali nguwe nalo nje. Manje manje ndikushiye lo live akho baby. Because ndizothi
baby, spices writers asekho.
Hayi bo ishonisa yikho kanti lawe isasithe intona leya. La nansi kabi la ikhona ibininzi futhi 6 garlic yes. Ifakile? Hayi bo but it's 6 garlic with a mixture of all spices, not all but some most of the spices. Usifumana bazidinga sikhumbule ngizifumana. Yeah, you are so in the
spices.
Sana umntwana ufuna
where are you staying now? I'm country location, sorry.
Injani nyebe yenu bethula. Hey, we are good pumpkins. Really khaya shokwenza. I just love this woman, man. Yeah. Hey baby, hey ngiyakubona mngamba. Hey. Hey uyadidiyela that's oh is that right? Oh ndizama ukuphela manga lewejo imbisi. Yebo, vaya makaki mbanga nene. Bless you baby.
Yako, azulu.
Bless you still son. Hayi jongo sendise utheni inini housewarming sizogifta bethuna. Hayi.
Oh yi.
Yes, sinesasixhothisa sikwazavele sifuna ukubazaleka mntasekhaya sinebeza sinezalapha akho big party yebo hayi ghosta ndisuka emaXhoseni beningena wifi ndibuya senikwi-location entsha. Congrats. Oh ayapha siyabulela man, thank you so much. Thank you. For me to find a good partner izondithanda like this bethuna. Oh siswami. To your mouth, is it to your mouth, to God's ears, or each one?
From your mouth.
Yeah. Oh, your bonus guess. From your mouth to God's ears.
Not our mouth.
Uphi u6 kan kanti wena dubuli.
Ifakile John usiksana.
Si in.
Kube linde efry.
Zawuthunywa.
Enye into ufuna izenzile intwana.
Zawuthunywa nje lapha.
Ukhumula last time ngosmashwe.
Sisashintsha baby ibi.
Labo ezansi ba.
Wa. Hanza uthunywa jo. Wayibona kahle ubhuti kaYesu lawe. Ibi sasa.
Iba. Kwathola izansi. Wale uqulusi.
Baby, it to bend over. So to be against closer. Hi, Michelle.
Sorry. Wrong.
Tima wrong.
What did you wrong?
Why you fukula? Ano sita bafukula yombathana kodwa because ingekho ingekavuthwanga. Ake ungeshi ke by the way we know. Njaya okundilinde ulive katakhe kanta izinja madoda big dogs suwara njaya ndaqlaka la xela lithi phoza yami njengoba sibe on si live boy. Hayi namhlanje no man phase kathini phela yami.
I'm not planning to watch this.
My favorite couple Alona siyabulela man, thank you. I wish I can meet you guys because I love your personality. Oh thank you. Thank you. Yo, hayi man yes message like phela man liyandibora futhi yenza lokho jo la way ufika ndiba friend like so. Hayi bo jo. Like Yazi yenza na outside.
Yeah.
Useyithi ndiqhelile. Abo yazi wena ziseza bra and nyani like no. We marinate. Phambi kwami. Mane qoma kodwa ndilambile. Bayenzelela. Wenze.
Yeah.
Wena Chino Junior ngokubeza.
That time I said in washing machine izinto asikwazi ngolisa.
Uthi nawo Junior kandi uthi Junior. Junior. Uthi lima isikati. Oh, uthina ngespice hayi mina. Uthina ngespices ke mina. But I understand Junior. I started a couple content but no yeka nithi kanti niyaseluma isonka sami. Oh yini sibulele Junior. Hayi Bethu umbhako uqinile bazi ukwazi bane chance isiluma. Ubethu udimfi wombhako mangabe nakwa chance nje yami. Kanti besithi eqala ufaka amazinyo hayi thwancame kweleni. Phuku bayaqonda do you get? Babuza ngimfaka uHortman ijonga kuba yami this is how you know. Give me some time. Give me some time.
What's up, Bubeta? So beautiful.
Xoleni bantu benkosi bandibuze into errong. Ngandoni siswa undisena lost ke ngoxolo. Mulweni bethuna ndiyamthanda nihlala phi usisi ngathi ndiyamazi zange yafundisa eThekwini Fisante. No anguyanga siswa. Anguyanga. Ale mali wesigabela kasisi nguhappy baby. Mishimageza lesip. Lokho abene nawe ezichileyo. Wenja yami. Bethe lo wakayi. Ubona lambhako kwabethwa kumbishi.
Hayi.
Ngiyaqola.
Yebo yini sizozo ukubhakela futhi.
Abo ngiyaqola. Iselifona kwinje kambe nje.
Nami ndiqoqela wona. Awubamba ngapha screen.
Hayi biba. Yebo.
No. So diyekwenza kanjani mos?
Ogqiba ukubuza ngokumba ndiba hayi hayi baby.
Ngibona ngokufitshana. Baby.
Baby.
Ezithole zedonuts sibethe ukuthi emgqapha mos.
Abo zawa zedonuts mshana.
Ubona.
Sawubona njani? Ayibona ichocolate.
Ujoba.
Na ukhalela siyamba sonke. Pepe. Hayi kushoba. Hayi kushobwe. Ukhalela. Hayi siyamba sonke. Hayi miss. Sleep for us. Bubbles, bye guys, love you so much. Bye Bubbles, bye Bubbles.
Bye Bubbles.
Bye Shomi.
Stop nalo uskina oseshushu.
Hayi wena siseza. Hayi jonga uthini? Respect that ass. Respect that ass. Spare.
Speaking other things.
What baby? Ndimnafuna nganoyithethe because ngumntana. If ever nigga nepet would ever nigga ningane pet. Mandim lo ifuna ngesitsotsi. Uthi lo sisi if ever ningane pet would it be a dog or cat? Yesisi azifuni kwanja, azifuni kwakati, azifuni kwafokolo. How did that dog? Last time I checked was like, hi baby, I don't want any pet. But hi boo. Hi sisi. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Hi. You get it? It's Danny. Hi man. Fuck. Sorry.
I want a dog.
A dog. But I don't like dogs.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Did you hear that? Imagine.
Maybe I would like to have a dog, but not a small dog. No, a big. Yes, not as just a little. So ginger, efana.
So vulela kwami kaloku funa a full type.
Baby. Yabona ezinja zinormal zabaXhosa. Zingafuni care engithi.
Hayi, ufuna zazi nje.
Those kind of dogs, like simple dogs.
Kaloku as not choice zazi. School is baby, a pet, yeah, the cat, do you get? On a pet, you have to get some meds and everything. Let me treat her as you know, as we treat on trouble. Inja is assistant keeper, as not choice.
If only in charge, I don't have food pet.
That's ghost. I like why is this parallel out in the care? Essential inja is different. Yes, assistant keeper born by yes, assistant keeping. I used to find the it's a lot of good time. You can't fool inja assistant keep the lab. It's all attempted again, not in the lab. I mean, Joe.
I suppose who's again. I don't say again.
I couldn't just get a baby. They understand I mean, but yeah.
No, okay, that's being happy.
Imet, yagula nje banefiva ukhona umlungu apha emsebenzini wasithi my dog is not feeling well.
Asenze njani na?
But I don't ndifuna idinga that care jo.
Yeah, ngizawudifuna yasebaxhoseni.
But baby, uzawususa njani apha yawizabe ekaphi yasemaxhoseni nje.
Uyaphila nalapha. Sikhona izinjabo ezingana.
Hayi okay, vivo ndim sisi. Zazi nje zithe leftovers umbeko. Yo. Injanja ngeyopet lol. Boza. Dumelani nijwanga. Ukhona video engiyipostile. Kaloku ndizoyiphakela. Boza. Inja ngumuntu. Liberator. Yebo, they also need meds. They get very sick and I had many sick dogs before. Whoa.
Hello, like since ba. Okay, fine. Like try mhlambi ke kodwa inebhula ke ndikafanise kaqhika. Ngiyafuna female kodwa lepini beta.
Oh, I baby not
But baby, njalo sama
baby jonga. Yabo mna nenhliziyo enhle baby. I can't see me in Japan. If you don't like say, I ask a guy, HIV. I'm telling you, because I am the like, and then when I figure I so I'm worried by this guy get affected because of those child. Do you get?
But I don't baby. In a benchalo, in as a no son, okay, fever.
Okay, the whole family.
Like I could like what are you?
I'm starting a mating season. Afuneka ibhaqile.
Izokuvisa next door.
Njani next door kodwa yabona ba uyadate value.
Sezadlala ezi.
Ansazi kaloku baby, you should ask abantu abane doctors because mating season iyafika funeka ibethe nje.
Awuzofika stay two uzothenga umama. Different houses siyazalana.
Okay. Oh, ewe job SPCA uyazihlabisa izinja for free. Oh, yabona ngelezo zethu wasifundanga sizazi kaloku lezwe.
Hayi usinalo bayigulayo usinalo
usinalo khona ukhona
uyifinde ebonile fever ngathi unalo
unontesele
awuzamntaza
niyaphila yini siyaphila thalile love you no siyanithanda guys into endithanda yona bethu siyabulela man uzoyithengela i-dog food ko Pick n Pay
yo
kaloku yebo why ningachati sisimission obut kilo ngaze ngiyibhina la comment yakho ziswami. Mara yeah, ungawari we are getting there. It's a
when
process.
The time is right,
Aye, it's a process to me, Yonkinto. Hey, kula nyani assess to be honest. And yeah, kamana yang mansela yang legs.
Yes, but later you just a kind of scorpion. Yes, so like good.
Baby, that was set. But I was going to do my apron because I need to land. And then I was doing that.
But the regret, but I mean, what I mean is that I'm fully is often I care in it was like but I'm fully.
Jonga usmanye uthethe into nyani baby. Molweni izithando kofuneka niyo diaper ama feelings enje no diaper ama feelings enje njani ngoba ingabikho meeting season but paraza indalo kaThixo liyamfanele we can't keep on like stop izinto zezinja yabo I had a dog nami yayigula itim yo waphaku itim leyo waphaku just you know what this thing is yeah it is ezikhaya yeah serious ngendaba yayo bra because kenyani yabo
if you have given it no say ba what I mean baby so like I want to take care of it
okay
funny lunch
yeah
like ihlala endlini yebo zazinja silala endlini afuna into yinje bayilala babathi
yeah
and okay yeah that's what I mean
but Mish hey baby I'm not support the ways pets na anfuka wena mna kwayikati Andifuni fokolo ukubona ikalekele ezinyaweni ogqibe khona uthi awuside yini okalile inarhmani xa uphakathi yo ayinzima phone ilele apha phezu kwakho telling you andizifuna eza zinto
but injani kho danger man sinjani
yo wabona ugqirha okay fine baby
but ngasengibanga lokho bandizothi ngaphi imezo ndizothi move kwezinto zayo ke ngopha balupha people
yeah opa makes super
but yebo likalathi
oye
ya debe likhala nosili
oye kwese wena ke
umane usihlambisa kubo ikhofi injapa
ukwazi umane uyoyihlambisa phakubo yo bendibawela mna after settling in sifumane noba ngunonjanana uyakhona unonjanana akahlali ngakaya
but ayisokolisi inja baby
kuthiwa cats are sophisticated
isokolisi inja
Michelle yo
just phila belaleni
intombazana nje mna ande
but like senje bakho baby ingase wakati
yo awuzene west ke ngustika uthi take itotoys abazasihlala khona ukole elikhulu kuba yena ndiyadlike lidifu qole
emfuleni uyeza qho nge-Wednesday andazi kwezinye indawo and uyenza full that's nice sikhona
ndase awayithengisa supplier baby nangusibe buzi supplier awayithengisa
no
hi Alive yeah join Kanye nje yami joiner I'm not baby pets. I'm not a fan. I'm sorry to say.
Injani yasithanda mna shem basibena nenyoka wow
Oh, hi. That's the worst. Hi sis. Even ataluthi amafutha osana namayeza amanye ayathunywa.
yo
Ndenzela ba mna njani because siyaphela pori. Mapori love your vibes guys. Thank you. So zinyoka hayi nyana hayi baby. I know. I know bakufana ngeke.
mamla
Hayi Michelle. Even nenza izinto zithayo.
edlala bebuka asengoyika ngoba inja on
Oh, call man, call. Can you join if you can? All about TikTok. Kayenza bekuthina le yenza njani?
accept
Okay, accept.
kuye lona
Yes.
utungavika futhi
Boy live wakho kaloku. Yebana.
ngisazophakayo shekele chicken nambele
Hey, Michelle.
Hello.
siyaphila kunjani
I'm good. Thank you for accepting my request to join live yakho. Thank you for accepting my request to join live yakho.
You're welcome. Why did you finish? You don't want to specify. Stand on board to set a night.
It's because I'm because not until the 100 followers. And because it's till I have 100 followers.
Okay. They want to let me
Then 100 followers and above.
Oh. Yeah, who's when one?
Yes, but benza edit ke bekhwayeke ndi.
Wait,
Edit hayibo.
Where's
This is. Hayi. Mntwendo. Hey, dlala. Hayi wena jonga manti kanyo ka wena mish.
Hi, can you? Yabantu bami bayaphela. Ngibideni? Iphathi kuba.
They fuck status so.
Okanye thini?
Famous mina manje.
Famous njani kodwa uvelanga? Hayi kanya. How are you famous kodwa uvelanga?
But the famous, the 100 followers. So kwazi nami kwezi live zami. ndikwazi uvela and then zoba even
I-cleaning vlog yethu.
ndiyayithanda i-content yakho Lizana.
Thank you, Sandra.
Yup.
Hayi ndiyaphela.
Ziyagiva.
Yadini?
I literally watch every single video of yours that you post. I watch every single video that you post. Even the one where you were with me.
Yeah.
Ankuva. When you were with your sisters, you're that one that's the most cutest.
Yeah. Thank you, darling.
Yeah, when you were with your sisters.
Grace Mundana song.
I saw when you went to Grace Mundala's party. And it looks so pretty. You're being cute.
Thank you, darling.
Bazi content creators.
Hey.
I am 15.
Oh my god.
Yup.
You're so young.
Yes, abantwana but no. Yup.
Okay, the kind.
Ankova. Thank you. Same to you. Enko, it's the same to you.
Bye. I just make sure they must be consistent on the red. But I make it sound I enjoyed a lot. Thank you, Mima.
Bye.
Yeah, bolera. I'll try. Ila kancane ngimqhele. Kuza nimqhelanga shem. Hayi babe asinamhluzi yo kanje lento sizatya. Kelo. Yo. Asinamhluzi. Yo. Oh my god. Hayi ke ngoba into zengamenzi umhluzi na. So then, so check this one back. I'll try to be consistent on the red app. On the red app, yo, and I'm gonna bore abantu. That's my biggest fear is to bore people. About TikTok, I don't mind boring people. But on the red app, must never do bad here, right? Sometimes you get different. You get to YouTube vlog when you're in Lambad pay which I anxiety. Bean salad will do the cheek. Yomhluzi ne? Yeah. Umhluzi ngathi ngiyamthanda. Utata used to love umhluzi. Yo. Alabudi. If you pick inyama, you need to make sure uba iyaphuma noba ipayile yomhluzi. Because hey, la potato salad ingathi mashakele nje. Nansi. Hey, potato salad man, ndani. Sweet potato. Yeah, kufanele ke sanelinansika. House tour here on TikTok. Khona ku YouTube my love. Kaloku sisazama ufumana ama followers pha ku YouTube. So that's why I post ku YouTube than here. But here I'm posting it bit by bit, yabo. Mhlanje le video nza edit. Guys, guys, I think every video bengiyenza namhlanje. Ngiclean camera. Nanza iposta ngomso because it's a lot of editing, yabo. And andifuna ungqwakazi le edit kabi. Before Ponda no baby, otherwise sorry. Moro na. Akondo who?
Man.
Oh, the phone. This is Mishi. Are you a matricule or are you a friend on YouTube? Sure, when Saturday break, yeah, so maybe I should come back to YouTube and teach me. I'll see. But again, I think we should mind. If I can do and motivate, I know I'll try okay, if I know 500. Yeah, for post a raw video. mhlawumbe motivated umazi uposter. But yeah, maybe I'll come back. I'll try to go back to la YouTube on footage. That's it. Guys, I'll see how the year goes. What is like in the year, man? Like in the year, man. YouTube awuveli ku-YouTube usebenzisa igama uMichelle Kelo, search Michelle Kelo, search Michelle Kelo. Sina isipotete emoshakele. How January is January? Because what is this now? What kind of mahalari is this now? Sicela uba ukuzigama kakho YouTube nguMichelle Kelo, my love. Search Michelle Kelo. Yo, hi guys. I'm moshakala nansi sweet potato. Ndizama uyincwela. That time ngithembeke ngayo. What the heck was around? What the heck was around? Sizophuma botshombambile. Sizophuma sithanda zami. Sizodla ngoku, sizohlihliza. Otherwise bekumanda uhlala nani guys. Can I rati? Ubuthe phone baba? Yeah. Onva ngonisabela nje uthetha nami. Baby siyabukela mose series namhlanje? Yes, mama. Thank you. Yo guys, moshakele sweet potato.
Yo, moshakele.
Yazama uyincela Chomi. Because wena ungangayiki. Ngengatrump. Uzayicekisa. Babe ndiyeza noba yiyo sweet potato. Oh my god. Ndiyincela sana. Yo ngoku ndigqibo ngena. I love you sis Mish. Xolo sithanda sami kaloku bendizopheka apha nani. Yo, zomane ndibhonda nani xa ndiphekayo ngoku. And funeka sidlile and we want to watch a series. Ndibhonde notata ekhaya. Yeah, babe, ndikubiza tata ekhaya.
Hey, baby. Yeah, that's good.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel fantastic.
Hey love, please plug me with where you buy gym wear around Belleville. If you have and at Belleville. Come on down to a plaza. I think you can. But if I plaza azikho ezinje. Because I did look for them pa. Azikho so and yazinye indawo ekuthiwa kuyo ezi. Azikho ezinje plaza kuyo ezingo Nike nobani bani. Because now I went there looking for them. But at the clinic. So abantu abathengisayo andiyazi uba bathenga kahle phaya eBelleville. I have no idea. Because phaya eplaza azange ndizibone eziziplane unless yes kwishop ethile. Good night, Mingy. Good night, Sissy. You down a taking a taking. It taking in oh my gosh. Baby? I'm sorry out long. Where's the baby? Who mind him? Lash one by one. I'm lash half. Pin it in lash. How about that? Because imagine if one of them come on. Oh, you know what? Oh, ngabashaka.
Yebo.
Yebo. We also need to get ourselves a bin and all, yes? Baby, I found mayonnaise.
Yes. With mayonnaise.
Icon. Ndiyayibuza kamanje ngathi khona. Ngikhohle ukuba ikhona. Kitchen yalilungisa liyenze makugcwale. Kancane zisona. Siyeza kancane hayi kamo ido onion yakho xa ishekile ifaka icontainer encane. Ne Not everything. Yenze routine ingaphela class. Baba.
Yo.
Hey. Mayonnaise is nayo na.
That's what I think when I got.
Bacteria. Oh. Okay, my love. Ngeke ndizame icontainer yayo. But ayiboni ne container. Ayifunda ngeleke. But it's almost ndiqanga iqobule before ndi nanzike. Then usike napha emacaleni. Ndihlala. Unless ke iyangena ingene deep. Ayiboni icontainer. Because I think about me, I don't cook every day. So if I'm going to share my container for 5 days, I just won't. Not go. You've been doing funny things in chocolate because of some shoes. Okay. I'm sure any piece again, the end, I use the animal shoes at Italian God. Guys, again, what's this one? Yo, I'll put it in the sound. I just drumstick, pico. So forget the peacock and then on the fatty tie. Yeah.
It's okay, man. Anything, baby.
What the peacock? Hey, but it would take anything, Jay. Inyama yaphi pay ngathi binansi. Kana manga ngathi zazandaka nani izityapa khona nkulu.
Michelle.
Kwatsho wena lo balance intaka khona nkulu.
Uyangiqasa no?
Ngathi yiyo mntaka waleshi ngazazandaka. Nani izitya.
Hey baby.
Ifanele uba special lenyama.
Yeah, 45.2 million.
Ekaba.
Speed.
Lo do you want $1?
Yeah,
speed.
Yes, it's the South Africa bro.
Oh, speed lo. We don't want speed.
Yeah.
We don't. Ebe wala ngumboni.
You go now. Yo.
We learn what does he do for a living? much you calling crate? You go for the 2 million.
Who put it 5.2 million?
Boah, what's that? I'm going to go to America. Baba ne follow those names.
Yeah.
I'm going to America. Baba ne follow those names.
And so
I'm going to speed. Calling you video. I bet you I'm a party. I'm a party. I'm sure you know what is it? Who's sharp, you know?
now the Twitter cool.
I will do it quick. What's wrong? I don't do it.
Yeah, I don't know.
When you must do mass and don't can you must go back.
You know my back, I'm going to stay.
It's so tomato sauce, Funa.
Super.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
I don't eat tomato sauce. I eat tomato sauce. Imagine you don't you come like that. Tomato sauce, mayonnaise, yeah. That is a thing. Woo! If you eat rice, you get tomato sauce. Cow, wow, then I should pin dog. Back then. Guys, this is our meal for the day. No shoes, don't judge. I forgot. But you know if I. But bye guys, yeah, I'm so getting to the good night. Yes, she had dinner. Hi, Nancy. So the blackmail, Roba. So the blackmail. Happy birthday, Intsiki. Hi, I'm Vuyela. Bye guys. And I had a ratty. Vlog because I is the first thing in the morning. Because I post the first thing in the morning. I need to bond with my man. And also, my name is Totem. We also need to watch a series. So, see you when I see you. Can I rat. Putting you in my lap. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like every time I post. Like, comment, share. And like our fucking sentence, because algorithm. Bye. Enjoy the food. Thank you, Susie.